Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn about break and break add command. So let's get started. I will just go here in modify panel and just click on this drop down arrow, and you will find more commands here. Now the break command is here. Okay, this is the icon for break and this is the icon for break add point. So we will learn both of these now. I will click to activate this break command from here, and at command line it is prompting add select the object that you want to break. For example, I want to break this line. In this case, I will select this object. Now here it is prompting as specify second point. So don't specify second point. As you can see, one of more option, that is first point. So you can just right click to activate this option as well. I will click on this first point option. Now you can specify first and second point. Now specify first breakpoint. For example, I want to just start it over here. I want to start from here and up till here. Okay, so I will just give first point as this point and second point as this point. Now you can see this line is divided into two segments. Okay, now again I want to just break this one. In that case, I will go again and I will activate this one, and I will select this one, right click, and I will go in first point option, and I want to just start it from here. Okay, from mid, and I will break up till here. Now you can see it is just break here. Now this is how you can just break. Now let me just break this circle as well. So I will just go here and I will activate again, and then I will select that particular object, right click, and then I will go in first point option. Now I want to just break it at half. Okay, so I will just start from this quadrant up till here. Okay, now it will break up till here. Now you can see it is going to break. Now let me just break this rectangle as well here. I will go here in break command and I will select this object. Okay, and then I can just go in first point option, and I want to start from here and I want to break it up till here. Okay, now it is going to break. So this is how you can just break any object, or you can use break command. Let's see break add point, and we will see the difference between both of these. I will just go here in modify and I will go in break add point option. Now in this case you have to just give only one point, not 2 points. Okay, as we did before that, we give 2 points to break the object, but in this case you have to mention only 1 point. Now I will just select this object, and here you can see it is prompting as specify first breakpoint, so we have to just specify only one base point. Okay, breakpoint, sorry. So I will just break this from the mid, so I will click over here. Now you can see here it is just divided into two lines. Okay, you can see I can just move it from here, and you will notice that you can just move it from here. Okay, this is how you can break on this option as break at point. Now let me just break it from here, right from here, with break at point option. So I will just select this particular object, and then I will give this point as a break point. Now it is divided into two lines. Okay, you can see here. Now in break at point command, you can just give reference as well. For example, I want to just divide this line right below this. Okay, on this point. In this case, I will use this command, break at point, and now I will select that particular object that I want to break. Okay, so I will break this line. Now it is asking about give me a first breakpoint. So in this case, I want to just divide this line right below here. Okay, from this point. Now I will just give this as a reference point, so I will click over here. Now you will notice it is going to divide right below this line. Okay, it is going to divide it from here. Now I can move it from here. Okay, over here. So this is the basic difference between break and break at point. So hope you understand this session. We'll see you in the next.